Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to add .access keycard to iPhone wallet scan. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so in the wallet application on your iPhone, you can store digital keys to your home, hotel room, car and scooter. iPhone automatically presents the right key when you arrive at your door or vehicle, giving you access with just a tap using NFC, near field communication. So to do this, just open this wallet application on your iPhone. It should be on your iPhone by default, and then you have to scroll down until you see get option. So just click on it like this, and here you just have to click on scan code, and now you can scan your keys, your digital keys and everything like that. Or you can just click on it, click on get and find apps for wallet, and now you can download apps for your hotel room. So if you are staying in a hotel room, you just have to download this one right here, and it will store all of your digital keys for your vehicles, for your rooms and everything like that. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.